Section 1. Weird Weather and Me, a Sunny Start. Did you know the sun is basically a giant cosmic disco ball? It's true. It's just spinning out there, throwing light parties for planets that didn't even RSVP. Hello everybody. It's me, your friendly neighborhood weather enthusiast. Weather's not as complicated as it sounds. It's mostly just the sky having a mood swing. We're going to break it all down, make it simple, and have a few laughs. Because if you can't laugh at a cloud that looks suspiciously like your Uncle Jerry, what can you laugh at? So, grab a beverage, get comfortable. Headliner. Main event. Star of the show. The sun. The sun, a massive, fiery ball of gas, doing its thing for billions of years. It wakes us up. It gives us light and warmth, and the perfect excuse to wear oversized sunglasses and pretend we're famous. On a sunny day, the world just seems happier. Dogs are smiling. Ice cream suddenly becomes a major food group. Show cartoon sun with ice cream. It's the universe's way of saying, hey, you're doing great. Here's a little something to make your day brighter. Section 2. The Sky Sneezes. A deep dive into rain. All right, let's move on to the sky's more emotional side. Rain. Rain is what happens when clouds get a little too full and just have to let it all out. It's basically the sky having a good cry. Sometimes you just need that, right? Rain is countless little droplets, and a reason to wear those ridiculously cute rain boots. It makes the plants happy and fills up the rivers. Plus, the most satisfying sound when you're cozy inside. Rain is nature's reset, including your car, but only the top half. Some feel gloomy, but it's an opportunity to stay in, watch a movie, and not feel guilty. Prime time for puddle jumping, not just for kids. Fun fact, in hot, dry places, rain can evaporate before it lands. Phantom rain. Phantom rain, here to almost save your thirsty garden. Once, a party with a 0% forecast turned into a full-on downpour in minutes. Absolute chaos, and the best memories. My hair plastered, salad became soup, lights twinkled sadly. Proof that 0% is just the weather's way of saying, you'll see. Section 3. That pushy friend called wind. Let's talk about the invisible force that's always trying to restyle your hair. Wind. Wind is just air on the move. That's it. It goes from high pressure to low pressure, like rushing from a crowded party to where the snacks are. It can be a soft breeze, or a gust that steals your hat and sends it on an adventure. It makes flags wave, kites fly, and leaves dance across the lawn. It's the prankster of the weather world, always unannounced. Wind is useful. It powers clean energy, helps sailors cross oceans, and spread seeds. It's nature's delivery service, but it also makes outdoor conversations chewy. Fastest wind ever recorded wasn't in a tornado. It was on Mount Washington, 231 miles per hour. That's faster than most race cars. A wind like that wouldn't just steal your hat, it'd steal your car. I love the way wind feels, but I've had run-ins. Like wrestling a giant inflatable swan the wind tried to fly to the next town. The wind has a mindset on comedy. Sometimes you've just got to be part of the joke. Okay, let's cool things down and talk about snow. Snow is basically rain that decided to get all fancy and crystalline for the winter. When it's cold enough in the clouds, vapor freezes into tiny crystals. When enough stick together, they become a snowflake. Then they drift down and cover everything in a quiet, white blanket. It makes the world look new and gives you an excuse for a big puffy coat and way too much hot chocolate. You can build a snowman, have a snowball fight, basically a cold, wet argument, or go sledding. Nothing like sliding down a hill on a piece of plastic, screaming with joy. Fun fact, every single snowflake is unique, each with an intricate six-sided pattern. Tiny works of art that we smoosh into snowballs. I don't see much snow in California, but I've got great memories from growing up. Once, a huge snowstorm canceled school. We spent the whole day outside. We built the most lopsided snowman. One arm too long, nose sideways. We named him Kevin. He wasn't perfect, but he was ours. We defended our snow fort, made snow angels, froze, got soaked, and were so happy. That's the magic of snow. Finally, let's look up at the sky's imagination. Clouds. Clouds are huge collections of tiny water droplets or ice crystals, all floating together in the air. They can be thin brush strokes or big puffy piles of cotton. They're the ultimate shapeshifters. 1 minute a dragon, the next a rabbit on a bicycle. Best free show on earth. Just lie back and look up. Clouds are a huge part of the weather machine. They bring shade, they bring rain, they bring snow. Fluffy white often means nice day. Dark heavy ones mean bring your laundry inside. Fun fact: an average cumulus can weigh over 1 million pounds, yet floats effortlessly. Droplets are tiny and spread out, and rising air currents hold them up. A delicate balancing act. Next time you look out your window, really see the weather, not just sunny or rainy. Look at cloud shapes, feel the wind's direction, appreciate a drop's long journey. Weather can be funny, surprising, and always beautiful. Be curious, smile at the sky, and be kind to one another.